The United States Attorney General Eric Holder reiterated on Thursday that the U.S. operation that killed Osama bin Laden was legal. Meanwhile, Pakistan's former intelligence chief denounced the U.S. for not sharing information about Osama bin Laden's whereabouts. Mike Weber again.
What we did was not an assassination.
The U.S. Attorney General made the remarks during an interview in London with British broadcaster Sky News. Holder's remarks echoed those he made on Wednesday in Washington before the Senate Judiciary Committee, when he said the death was part of a legitimate military operation.
What we did was not an assassination, was consistent with international law. And I think one has to focus on the way in which the operation occurred. People there who could have been shot were not. The woman who was with him was wounded in the leg as opposed to being shot in any other place. And so I think we conducted ourselves in an appropriate way, especially given his professed desire not to be taken alive.
On Thursday, Pakistan's former intelligence chief denounced the United States for not sharing information about Osama bin Laden's whereabouts and challenged American intelligence officials to name one time when cooperating led to a botched operation.
We were picking up information and we were sharing it with the Americans. The Americans decided to keep their information with them. That's why when I made my initial comments that if this could have been a turning point, if they had brought the ISI on board, because I can't recall any incident in the past where they shared information with us and as a consequence the operation got botched.
Pakistan is facing ongoing pressure from inside the country and abroad to explain why Pakistani intelligence didn't know that bin Laden was hiding in their country and whether some Pakistani officials knew and protected him. General Ehsanul Haq said Pakistan has handed over senior al-Qaeda operatives to the U.S. in the past, and such information helped develop a wealth of data about al-Qaeda, which ultimately led the U.S. to find bin Laden. Mike Weber, CCTV.